Okay guys, I thought you might like to see this. This is the Creality K1 Max as it arrived from China. They packed it in an unbelievable crate. I'm sure some of you have heard reports of certain K1s showing up in crates, and I'm here to show you one of those said crates. It looks like something that would be shipped to John Hammond on Isla Nublar with a Velociraptor inside, but no, this hefty box has my K1 Max in it. I'm quite pleased that they went through all the trouble to build this crate for me so that this machine can get here without being destroyed by US carriers and ruining my unboxing and setup video that I'm scheduled to make for you guys. So I look forward to getting this thing out of this crate, and it's probably going to take a crowbar and a lot of cursing and swearing. Here's something really cute that I want to show you guys. They actually printed a little sticker that says made in China and put it on the box. If we spin this thing around, you'll see this thing is metal reinforced on all sides with actual metal hinges with screws in them. This crate is insane. One of the problems I have with this crate is that the screws are too long and they are actually putting holes in the K1 box. This probably has no chance of reaching the printer itself, but what it does is make it really hard, if not impossible, to slide this K1 box out of this crate because some of the various screws are actually grabbing the box, making it impossible to move. Alright, so here you can see where the screws are grabbing the box, making it impossible to slide the box up because they will grab the whole way. To help with that, I'm going to back some of these screws out. Problem solved. You see that? The screws from this latch are too long and they're gouging into the whole box as I try to get it out. And there it is, the K1 Max has been removed from its box. Sadly, there's damage on the front of this box. It looks terrible, my beautiful new K1 Max box. But fortunately, the other side has the same artwork, so I'll go ahead and use that side for the unboxing video, which I will be getting started on right away. And if you are watching this video in the future, it may already exist. Hey.